Hi, welcome back. In this video we are going to discuss about the recovery. After failover has occurred, before the failover node has been rebalanced out of the cluster, the node can be recovered. So after failover has occurred, there are two principal options. One, the node can be removed from the cluster by means of rebalance option. If we press rebalance, then that node will be out of the cluster. Otherwise, in the OS patch scenario, I have told once we gracefully failover, we will stop the Couchbase service on that node and hand over the server to the OS team. They will patch it and restart the server. Then the node will be popped up with two options in the cluster. The second one is that option. The node can be recovered and thereby added back to the cluster and thereby added back into the cluster again by means of rebalance. Recovery is basically two types: full recovery and delta recovery. Full recovery involves removing all the pre-existing data and assign new data to the node that is being recovered. Delta recovery maintains and resynchronizes a node's pre-existing data. So the only change is getting copied, which means what are the changes happened when this node got failed over, only those changes apart from the existing data will be copied when we select delta recovery. Full recovery. What happens exactly when the full recovery is applied? All the existing vbuckets and documents are removed from the node. If GSI indexes reside on the node, they are left unmodified during the rebalance. The new set of vbuckets and the documents are assigned to the node. When the node's vbuckets are all up to date and the rebalance process completes, the node recommences the serving of data. Delta recovery. What exactly happens when the delta recovery is applied? No existing vbuckets or documents are removed from the node. All existing data is loaded into the memory. The point at which mutations to the node data most recently stopped is determined. Then vbuckets are duly updated from that point. Based on the data changes that have since occurred, if GSI indexes reside on the node, they are left unmodified during the rebalance. When the node's vbuckets are all up to date and the rebalance process completes, the node recommences the serving of data. These are the commands to perform recovery with CLI command. This is for full recovery, this is for delta recovery, and this command is for rebalance. Recovery with the REST API, full recovery, delta recovery, and rebalance.